Hey everyone, Shelly Gonzalez here with Shelly Whidbey Art. So today I wanted to show you how to make your own rock stands. So I'll just show you what that looks like real quick. So it just sits on your rock, or your rock sits on this little stand here, and it just sits like that. So, and it's easily made, and I will show you how to do that today. And please share this with all your friends who love their rocks and want to display them the way they want to. Okay, so the first thing is that I have these. These are I got these on Amazon. So what they are is they're curtain hooks. Pretty interesting. They come in a 14 pack. So this is the brand that I used, and I bought them from Amazon. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pull them apart like this. Oop. Okay, so the thing is, you got to be really careful because they will break. I tried doing it on my first video, and guess what? It broke right off. So the next one is to push this little hook back. Sorry, I've got paint on my hands. All right. So now you need to take your rock that you want to use, and you just measure it up. So how far up you want it to be. Or so this one, because it's such a large rock, I'm probably going to end up pulling these guys a little bit further out so it can hold the weight of the rock a little bit better. I'll pull this guy out a little bit more. Be careful not to push too much on this part because that's just, you know, barely on there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my little pliers. I'm going to do this and just bend it up. Like that. Same thing with this one. So every rock that I make typically comes with a custom stand, and this is how I typically use them. These are fairly inexpensive to do. And then this part, these here, I kind of like to tilt up just a little bit like that. And like that. Probably gonna have to pull these apart a little bit more. And then I'm gonna test it. See if it holds it up, holds the rock kind of well. Sorry, I'm trying to cover up that so you guys can see what I'm actually doing here. So that one actually holds it pretty well. But if people like to have it a little bit more displayed, you can also take your pliers here and pull back on that just a little bit, so then it'll lean back a little bit more. And then, hold on, I'm going to show you guys here. Boop. And there you go. You got your perfectly nice rock stand there. Ta-da! Super easy and fun. Share with all your rock friends. But yeah, so it won't move, and this rock is pretty big. There you go. Have fun. Bye guys. Till next time.